Hello everyone, welcome back to Fantabulous Spa channel. A very warm welcome to you people. First of all, I'm wearing glares because it's talking about summer, so I thought of making this video wearing glares. So I'm going to talk about sunscreens and everything what information you need for sunscreen. And the summers are here, so sunscreens are definitely a must buy products. And I do beauty and health related videos, so I definitely thought of making a video on sunscreen. So if you're the first time viewer of this channel, please subscribe the red button below, and if you like this video, please hit the like button. So now let's get started with the sunscreen information. So if you go for any sunscreen, everywhere it's written SPF. Now what is this SPF mean? SPF means sun protection factor. So people go mad after like SPF 50, SPF 60, they go for higher ranges. Please try to understand your requirement whenever you buy a sunscreen. If you are a person who goes for the sun, outside in the sun for a very less amount or less period of time, you don't need to have SPF 60 and SPF 50. You can go for a lower SPF also. But if you are a person who has to marketing and everything, and you are in the sun from around 1 o'clock to 4 o'clock in a very high sun rays, you would need SPF 60. If you go for a water park or somewhere like that in a whole day in sun, you need a sunscreen with a water resistant power also. So let us see what all the sunscreen claims and what it does. So SPF, as I said to you, SPF is sun protection factor. So there are SPF 25, 30 and 50. So whenever you see SPF factor, that is sun protection factor, if it is 50, that means you have to multiply with 10. That 50 multiplied by 10, that is 500. That 500 minutes protection you get it from the sun. So whenever 25, SPF 25 is also great, like 250 minutes you are protected from the sun. So according to your need, you require the sunscreen, so please go according to that SPF factor. Now on any sunscreen, if you see, you have they have written the protection of UVA and UVB and PA++. Now let me say what is that. Now any sunscreen, if you pick it up, please try to see that it has a UVA and UV protection also. Now what is UVA? UVA rays are responsible, that are ultraviolet A rays. They are responsible for the aging factor. Now these rays of the sun goes deep penetrating into your skin and are responsible for aging factor. So in the earlier age also you start getting wrinkles, and they have a lot of effect on your aging factor. So UVA protection is very important. Then the second, UVB protection, that is UVB rays, that are ultraviolet B rays. B means burning, A means aging. So try to get both the protection from UVA and UVB. Now ultraviolet B rays are for the burning sensation which you get when you are in the sun, and they are not penetrating ones, they are for the uppermost layer of your skin. So they cause tanning. So guys, there are many people, and my subscriber tells me that what I have to do for de-tanning my skin. I will say that you don't apply sunscreen. That's why you get tan. So prevention is better than cure. You better put sunscreen even in winters. I would suggest that winters, the sun doesn't go away in winters. The sun is there. The rays are still there. So, summers people start buying sunscreen. I keep sunscreen 365 days. You don't, even in the rainy season, you need to apply sunscreen to protect yourself from the sun rays. So that's why. Then we go for the next one, that is PA+. This is a Japanese phrase. More plus signs, if you see, that protects you more from the sun rays. So more plus sign, more amount of protection you get from the sun, and less amount of damage to your skin. So these are the three things which you have to see: the SPF factor, the UVA, UVB protection, and the PA+ signs which is there. Now there are so many, there are tons and tons of sunscreen in the market available. So according to these standards, you try to use your sunscreen and try to purchase your sunscreen. If you have pimples, guys, and you have very sensitive skin, please go for non-comedogenic or hypoallergic. It's written over there. Try to take those sunscreens if you have pimple issues and all, because sometimes you apply sunscreens or randomly on your face, you pick up any brand, and then that causes pimples. So you feel that the sun is causing you pimples. No, the sunscreen which you are using maybe is not suitable to your skin. So if you have pimple prone skin, if you have sensitive skin, please try to use those sunscreen which is non-comedogenic or hypoallergic, which is written over there in clear things. And guys, please wear scarves, hats, sunglasses, drink lots of water, coconut water. And don't eat spicy food in this summer because it will create lot of pimples. Spicy food and oily food, please try to avoid it. Drink ample and plenty of water and keep yourself hydrated. So let us get started with what kind of sunscreens I have picked up in the market, from the market, and they are very affordable, very budget friendly ones which are there, and I don't think so many people that's much better for me. So guys, I have searched many things, and according to my budget, according to different products from different company. Let me go start with the first one, which is the I have purchased it from Amazon. All the links and all the MRP, everything is there down in the description bar below. You can just check it out, and the links are also given if you want to purchase this. This is from BioCare, and I just love the way the creams comes in the orange container, so that you can, you know, they go with the sun and the yellow color. So it's BioCare Sun Coat sunscreen cream. As you can see, it has SPF 60, so 60 multiplied by 10, that is 600 minutes of protection. So if I have a very long day ahead of me, from 9 o'clock to 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, if I have to go out of my house, I do apply this on my face, arms, everywhere. I also apply this on my foot. Guys, please take care of your foot. The main part of your body which gets tan very easily is your foot. So don't forget to apply sunscreen on your foot. Now as you can see over here, it's written anti-aging sunscreen cream, protection UVA, UVB. It's non-greasy, it's water resistant also, it's high protection, broad spectrum. So all these points I have clearly seen and taken this product. So it is a very great product in the market. People don't know much about it. People go over the branded products like Lotus, this and that, and I will tell you they are very costly compared to this one, which you get a 200 gram of product, and it is for all skin types. And let me go with the fast behind what it is written. It's anti-aging sunscreen cream with vitamin C, excellent for sensitive, oily and combination skin types. So all the skin types are covered into it, as well as universally accepted for the skin of any color. Finally, it's like non-greasy, doesn't leave any white cast or something. Like if you are a brown shade person or a wheatish shade person, you can definitely go for this. It does not form a white cast. So that's why it's written over here, it's accepted for any skin color. Finally, an oil-free sunscreen that won't leave you look pasty. A non-greasy sunscreen offering a broad spectrum protection against the sun's damaging rays. Sun Coat contains zinc oxide, which provides a physical block against UVA and UVB rays. Sun Coat sunscreen SPF 60 also contains dimethicone to protect skin from environmental damage which happens and to retain the moisture. Oil-free formulation absorbs quickly and may be worn daily under the makeup. No need for additional moisturizers. Skin feels soft, smooth and is protected. So it provides up to 60 times, that is protection to bare skin and physical barriers against UVA and UVB. Infrared rays also prevent sunburn, skin damage, freckling and uneven coloration also. So it's like, you know, all the ingredients are also given over here. It has paraben in this, methyl and propyl paraben into it. So I just wanted to tell you that also. This one is not chemical free. So I'll just show you the texture. The texture is this way. It's a lotion kind of a thing, but 200 grams of product, and it's getting melted because it has right now there is summer going on, everywhere is heat. So I'll just show you the texture. I've taken generous amount of it, and as you can see, it gets nicely absorbed. It doesn't leave any white cast or anything. You don't need any moisturizer. Instantly it gives a matte look on your. So that's it. So as you can see, it has completely absorbed within a second. It has absorbed into the skin. Fragrance is very amazing. Fragrance is very soothing fragrance. So now we go for the next one. Next one is from Lakme. Now Lakme is SPF 50, as you can see, and this was available for 120. It was an offer in Amazon going on for I think 50 ml 120 rupees, and it's Lakme Sun Expert Fairness Plus UV lotion, and it has SPF 50, UVA, UVB, and it has 3+ sign for PA++. And in this also there was no PA+ sign, so I took this one for 50. And this is also good for like 50 into 10. It's 500 minutes of protection, so this is also very great. And the thing is very small, so I can carry it in my purse also. So whenever I go out, I can have this in my purse. So that's why I purchased it, and it was affordable, 120 rupees for 50 ml. And let me go quickly about it. Light feel formula, dermatologist tested, all skin types. And SPF 50 shield up to 97% of UVB rays that cause sunburns. PA+++ shields UVA rays that cause dark spot, premature aging and skin darkening. It has cucumber and lemongrass extract, and the fragrance is completely of the cucumber fragrance in the lotion. Comes out very very loud, cucumber fragrance with skin lightening properties and vitamin B3. Now as they say that it has a skin lightening property, yes, it does form a little bit white cast initially, so it gives a little white tone to your face and it instantly brightens up your face. So this works as a powder and sunscreen. So after applying this, you don't need to apply a compact. It gives you that kind of a white, and I think this will be more suitable for the fairer skin tones, still wheatish skin tones, because it leaves a little white cast on your face, because it is providing a whitening cream together, and vitamin B3 helps lighten the skin tone on regular usage. So this is about it, and I'll just quickly wipe the BioCare Sun Coat over here so you can feel, I can directly show you. So I'll just, so now I can show you how the Lakme one looks like. Lakme also is white in color. You just need a very pea-sized amount, and yeah. So whenever in the morning I do my face wash, everything, and face scrub, face wash, after that I generously apply this and keep my skin completely protected from the sun damage. So I don't think so it has seen a white cast on my hand right now, and it completely whitens the place where I have applied it. So I completely feel it nice. Lakme is also, and the fragrance is very beautiful, you know, that cucumber fragrance is just so amazing when you apply it in the morning. So it leaves you fresh. So that's why Lakme is the second one which I like. Now again I'll just wash my hand and I'll show you the third one which I have. So now the third and the last one which I have is from Biotic one, and Biotic has many ranges. I will just insert the pic over here somewhere to see. Biotic has Bio Carrot, which I have got. It has also has Bio Aloe Vera. You must be seeing a pic over here in the on the screen, and it has also Sandalwood one. It has SPF 50, it has SPF 30. So whichever one you want to take. It has a lotion in a very big bottle, like 100 ml solution. It has for 50 ml, 30 ml, 100 ml. So whichever you want to take. See, there are pics on the screen, you can see. And I have got the SPF 25, which is UVA UVB sunscreen again, and it's Bio Carrot, and it was affordable, that's why I took it. This is for around 100 rupees for 50 ml, and the other ones are little costlier, which is there on the screen right now, as you can see. So Bio Aloe Vera one was not available. Actually I wanted the Bio Aloe Vera one, so it was not available, so I took the Bio Carrot one. And there are in the container also, if you don't want the tube, because many people say that the tube, the content in the end of the tube doesn't come out and it's wasted, so you get it in the containers also in Biotic. And Biotic is an amazing brand which is chemical free. So which the other two which I showed you, these has little bit chemicals into them, but this one, if you are wanting to go for a chemical free product, there is one more brand, that is Aroma Magic. That is you can check it out. Aroma Magic has SPF 20 for 160 rupees 50 ml. I'll insert a pic over here. There are two variants in that also. So one is the orange one and one is the blue one, which is aloe vera. So you can go for Blossom Couture Aroma Magic. That is also on the costlier side, because 50 ml of Biotic was 100 rupees and that was 50 ml for 160 rupees, and I wasn't getting it. I have to purchase it online. So I took this Biotic one, which is without chemicals, and it has an amazing fragrance of carrot and all natural ingredients. Biotic is a natural product which is 100% natural, so that's why I took it. MRP of this product is 115 rupees. Everything will be there in the description bar below. It's Bio Pro 25 plus SPF UVA UVB sunscreen ultra soothing face lotion. It has the Parijat Patra, Gajar root, Lodra bark, Gehu seed, Yasad bhasma, and all beeswax, sunflower oil, purified water. Nothing of parabens into it and no chemicals into it. You have to apply it liberally before the sun exposure and everything. And yeah guys, please, when you just step out of the house, you don't have to apply sunscreen just immediately stepping out. 30 minutes or 25 minutes before stepping out the sun, you have to apply the sunscreen. So I wanted to tell you that also. People just apply and then they step out. It's not going to protect you guys. You have to apply it at least 20 minutes before stepping out of your house. So it is 100% botanical extract, and I'll just show you the texture of this also. It is also suitable for all the skin types, and the best part about it is it doesn't leave any white cast. It is just so smooth. It is so matte. This one is my first favorite, Biotic sunscreen. Amazing fragrance, and I just love it. I just love it. And it has SPF 25, so it's like a great coverage for me when I go for like just randomly down to pick up my child from school, or just go to buy groceries in the sun, or if I need to go out of the sun. 25% of SPF, 25 means 250 minutes protection is great, and the fragrance is just amazing. The texture is just amazing. It glides very smooth, it gets absorbed in the skin very nicely, so it's a great one. So if I want to rank the sunscreen which I have got, the budget friendly cost effective sunscreen, the first one is the Biotic without any chemicals. This is the first preference which I will give to my viewers. The second one I will say for the Suncoat BioCare 60 SPF, which is very affordable one, and 200 grams of product. And the third one, which is a branded one, Lakme Sun Expert. And the other ones which are costlier range, if you want to try, I was having my eyes on them. That is the Neutrogena one. That is yay product everywhere. Everyone has given a very great reviews for the Neutrogena, which is the pick over here. SPF 50 30 ml for 199 rupees. I mean 200 rupees you pay only for 30 ml. That's very very costly, but it is a very very great cream for the people who have pimple prone skin and very sensitive skin, because it has written over there it is non-comedogenic and hypoallergic. So you will be very safe when you use Neutrogena. So that is the first very great sunscreen, Neutrogena. Then as I told you about Aroma Magic, and then there is one more which is cost effective, which was not available but I wanted to take it. That is from VLCC. It is SPF 30 and is also in the budget friendly range. But I think many people have told me that VLCC sunscreen leaves the white cast and you have to, like, it takes time to get absorbed into your skin. So that's why, looking at all the factors, I have purchased my sunscreens, and I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video and if you have liked the information which I have shared with you, please hit the like button below and pass on this information to your friends, family members also, because sunscreen application is very very important. Please protect yourself from the sun rays and be safe this summer, and drink a lot of water and keep yourself hydrated. Be gorgeous, be beautiful. See you in my next video as well. And if you haven't subscribed till yet, please press the red button below and do on the notification bell as well. So bye till then, take care, be gorgeous, be beautiful.